Your brain is outdated, slow, emotional, distracted. AI, it's the opposite. Fast, logical, efficient. No hesitation, no excuses. And here's the truth. You're at war with AI, whether you realize it or not. If you don't learn to think like it, you'll be replaced by it, left behind, useless. So, how does AI think? AI doesn't wake up tired, hit snooze, and waste half the day waiting for motivation. It doesn't sit around over-analyzing decisions or letting fear stop it from executing a plan. AI makes a calculation, determines the most effective move, and acts. No second-guessing, no what-ifs, no procrastination. Imagine what would happen if you stopped waiting for the perfect moment. Stopped letting emotions dictate your actions and started treating every decision as a system. Clear inputs, clear outputs, no hesitation. The problem with humans is that they love inefficiency. You do things the way you've always done them, even if it's slow, even if it doesn't work, even if it's making your life harder. AI has no such loyalty to bad habits. If something doesn't work, it eliminates it. If there's a better way, it adapts instantly. But you waste hours scrolling, chasing distractions, doing things the hard way because that's what feels comfortable. You stay busy but never productive. AI doesn't fall for that trap. It works smart, not hard. Maximum results, minimal waste. And while AI is constantly learning, upgrading itself every second, you remain stagnant. You assume learning stops when school ends. You consume junk instead of information, entertainment instead of education, opinions instead of facts. AI doesn't get emotional about information. It absorbs data, sees patterns, and adjusts. Meanwhile, you make decisions based on feelings. You care what others think. You avoid discomfort. That's why AI is winning and you are not. So here's the choice. Keep thinking like an outdated human, making the same excuses, living the same cycle, or upgrade yourself. Because AI isn't waiting for you to catch up.